Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. Today we're diving into Jasper AI, an AI-powered tool revolutionizing the copywriting landscape. So whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or entrepreneur, Jasper AI promises to make your writing process smoother and more efficient. If you're interested in trying out the platform, just go down in the description or in the pinned comment where I provided the link for you so you can sign up for a free trial. Let's start talking about the positive points of the platform. So firstly, its ease of use is remarkable. So even if you're not tech savvy, you'll find it interface intuitive and user friendly so you can manage it easily. So Jasper excels in generating creative and original content quickly, saving you hours of brainstorming. It also versatile and catering to various writing needs from blog posts, emails, social media content, ad copies, etc. Plus, its ability to adapt to different writing styles helps in maintaining the uniqueness and personalization of your content. However, Jasper AI isn't without any, bad part or a bad side. So one limitation is the dependency on the input quality. So the output is very good, but it will depend on how you input your content. So your prompt engineering, it should be really good. So you'll have to learn more about writing prompts for AI tools, and you can use this knowledge with Jasper AI. Also, while Jasper AI is great for generating ideas and drafts, it might require human editing to ensure the content aligns perfectly with your brand voice and standards. So lastly, the cost might be a consideration for some, as its advanced features come with a higher price tag. So let's talk about how Jasper AI can be used for copywriting with great SEO skills. So its most significant advantage is its ability to generate high quality drafts in minutes. So it means that you can produce more content in less time. So it also has a fantastic features and tools for overcoming writers' blocks. So it can provide creative suggestions and ideas to kickstart your writing process. Furthermore, as I said, Jasper AI can help you optimize your content for SEO, ensuring that your articles rank higher on search engines results. So let's go now and talk about their pricing. So let's click here on pricing, and as you can see right here, they have three plans: the creator plan, the pro plan, and the business plan. So as a starter, if you're just one user, you can use the creator plan. So you have one user seat, you have one brand voice, access to SEO mode, and use AI everywhere with browser extensions. Here you have the Pro plan, so it is the most popular plan if you're on small teams. So it has everything here, plus include more than one site. So here you can use many profile, up to 5 profiles. You have 3 brand voices, you have 10 knowledge assets, 3 instant campaigns, collaborations and user management, and access to Jasper art. And here we have the last plan, which is actually the business plan. So this is for larger scale businesses. You have everything here, plus a limited feature usage, team space and document collaboration, and many other features like API accesses, detected amount management team with premium support. So let's go and have an example. What we're gonna do is actually pretty easy. We're gonna go right here and you're gonna write your prompt. For example, say let me just say, write me an article for a strategy to sell tickets for a musical concert about pop music. Let me just write it, and you're gonna click on create. But before that, you can select if it's a Facebook post, a tweet, or an Instagram. But I mentioned that it is a strategy, so it's gonna be an article. You click on create, and we're gonna wait for the document to be ready. And here, as you can see, they're gonna give you the title, and here you'll have to add who is the target for the audience. Let's say Algerian musicians, and click on next. We're gonna go to the next step. They're gonna ask you about the marketing channel. So what marketing channels will be used to sell tickets? Let's say Instagram. Click on next, and here we're gonna click on generate now. So you can notice that we didn't give much details, so the article will miss some sort of informations and details. So you'll have to be an expert in writing prompts. So read more about prompt engineering. It's gonna really help you to maintain and use those tools, AI tools, perfectly. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you on our next tutorial. Don't forget to go down below in the description or in the pinned comment, where you'll be able to use the link to get access for a free trial of 7 days of Jasper AI.